How to use Instagram beginner's guide. So if you want to use Instagram, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can just open up your Play Store or your App Store and install the application. After installing, you can create your account. So launch your Instagram application. After launching, now if you don't have an account, you can go and create an account. After creating, you can log into your account and you'll get this kind of interface, right? So here on the top, you'll have all of the stories that your friends or your followers have posted. And on the bottom or in the middle of your screen, you will have your feed. And you can go with the bottom, you will have 4 to 5 options. So the first one is the home section, which is your home. And the second one is search. Now from here you can search for videos, or you will have the content. You can go with search, which is on the top, and then you can search for any person, search for the IDs. And on the bottom middle you'll have the create section, which is you can post or story, or you will have the reel section or live. You can also go live. If you go back here on the fourth one, you will have the reel section. So this is the reels. You can simply watch your reels from here. And the fifth one, the bottom right, is the profile section. From here you'll be able to go to your profile. So here you will have your post, your followers, your following. You'll have your profile. You can go and scroll down, and here you will have your post. This is your post section. And if you go with the middle one, you'll have the reel section. And if you go with the right side, then you will have the tag section. So here you will have the photos and videos of you tagged in the others' accounts. Now you can go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and here you will have all of the settings and the information of your account, your account activity. You can scroll down, and here you will have all of your settings. Now if you want to make your account public or private, then you can go with the account privacy, and then you can select your account as a private account or a public account. And you can scroll down, and now if you go with the home page, here on the top right you will have the heart-shaped icon, which is your notifications. And you will have the messages section. If you go with the messages, here you will have the chats. You can go with any friend or any person, and then you can send some chats to that person. So that's how you can use your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.